Well, they're just lovely. I mean, really, they are. I feel like all of my contact with the team, they really all seem to embody the values that the service stands for. You know, they're just really warm and friendly, accommodating, generous. You know, sometimes I ask really dumb questions about the admin side of things, which I'm always a bit challenged by, and they're always like, it's fine, it's fine. I've never met any of them in person. It's only been online or quite a lot of emailing, but it's just always been a positive experience. I always feel very looked after. One of my favourite contracts for the reasons of, yes, the contact with other practitioners, feeling so looked after by the organisation, and also the very meaningful and rewarding aspect of the mahi itself.